Hey everyone, need to update your gender on Instagram? Don't worry, today I'm going to show you how to change gender on your Instagram account. So let's get started. First of all, open the Instagram app and log into your account. Then head to your profile by tapping your profile picture at the bottom. Then tap Edit Profile below your bio. Scroll down to find the gender section. Here you can choose male, female, custom or prefer not to say. If you choose custom, type in your preferred gender. Once done, tap save or done to confirm. And that's it. You have successfully updated your gender on Instagram. Quick and easy. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.